Flaky, bakery-style chicken rolls right at home without spending hours on puff pastry, then this easy homemade chicken puff roll recipe is just for you. Start by preparing the dough. In a large mixing bowl, add half kilograms of flour, bloom 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 egg. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to the flour and pour in the yeast mixture. Knead together until you have a soft, smooth dough. While the dough is resting, prepare the chicken filling. Finally, chop 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves and 1 carrot. Take 245 grams of minced chicken meat and cut using a knife. In a pan, heat a bit of oil and saute the onions and carrots until they begin to soften. Add the chopped garlic and the minced chicken meat, stirring until the chicken changes color. Now season with 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon sumac, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper and squeeze in half a lemon. Cook until the chicken filling is fully done, then set aside to cool. Once your dough has rested, divide it into 2 halves. Roll out the first half into a large thin sheet. Brush it lightly with oil, fold it twice, brush again with oil and fold it twice more. Now take the second half of the dough, roll it into another large sheet and brush it with oil. Place the folded first dough in the center of the second sheet, then fold it over from all sides. Lightly press the dough down using a rolling pin so that it does not tear when we fully roll it out. Lightly flour the top and roll it out again into a large thin sheet. This method creates beautiful flaky layers similar to puff pastry. Once you have fully rolled out the dough into a large sheet, brush again with some oil. Spread the cool chicken filling evenly over the sheet, then top it with some olives and cheese. Carefully roll the dough into a log, then slice it into 2-inch pieces using a knife or thread. Arrange the rolls on a baking tray, brush with an egg wash, and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 38 minutes. And there you have it, your flaky chicken puff rolls made completely from scratch, perfectly layered dough, flavored spiced chicken filling, and that irresistible bakery-style crunch in every bite. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick homemade recipes.